Today, I'm in the popular village of Norton Fitzwarren and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented end-of-terrace home, benefiting from a quiet position, garage and off-road parking to the rear. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.